Hey everybody, I'm going to show you a new feature that Google for Education has integrated into Classroom to make things just a little bit more seamless for us, especially as we move to using Google Hangouts Meet more with our classes. So I'm logged into one of my classes on Google Classroom, and this is my home screen for that class. If we go right over here to the gear icon, our settings button, and click on the settings button, and scroll down to this new feature right here where it says Meet. If we click on Generate Meet Link, and then just give it a moment to think, it's going to automatically make that Meet link visible for students. And if we go up here to save, we've got a unique Meet code that is right on our homepage for that class on Classroom that takes our students directly to our Meet for that class. So if you want to not have to create a unique Hangouts Meet code for each time that your class meets, or schedule right before you're about to do a Hangout, but you want to meet right from, hi everybody, say hi.
Hi.
Or you want to meet right from, or you don't want to meet right from, oh my gosh, right from Calendar, then you can integrate it this way. So let's see, I saved it for that one class, and I'm just going to show you real quick how to do it for another class. So I'm going to click on my 8A class. You notice that right here, there's my join code for my class. And again, I'm going to go over to the gear button, scroll down to where this new Meet portion shows up, click Generate Meet Link,
I have to put this.
click Save.
Where's the? I don't know where it goes.
And now on my home page for Classroom is the Meet link for this class for every time that we're going to have a meet. So I'm just going to share with my students when we're going to have when we're going to use Google Hangouts Meet, and then they just click on that link to join me. So that's a quick way that you can integrate Meet into Classroom and not have to make a code or an event in Calendar every time you want to hang out with your class. Miss you guys. See you later.